Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel 777 Cosmic Tarot. This is going to be your love reading. Guys, this reading is for anybody that is watching this video right now or is drawn to this video right now. You could be somebody who has Capricorn in your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs, or you could be a cross watcher or someone with a completely different sun sign who is drawn to this video right now. Okay, so go with your heart. If your heart says yes, this is your reading, then definitely you may have a message here and this could be your reading. Alright, so guys, please keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Do not try to fit in. Okay, so for accurate readings you can always book your personal readings with me. My website details are mentioned here on the screen. You can also connect to me on my Instagram. The link is given below in the description box. You can stay in touch with me there. If you have any queries, you can write it to me there. I post videos in English and Hindi, both the languages, in the same channel. So in case if you come across a video in Hindi, don't ever get confused. So let's go ahead and see what's coming up for you guys in love. We'll see your person's current energy, your current energy, and what's coming next in love for you. Okay, so let's see what do we have in store for my Capricorn. Okay, two cards together, Ace of Pentacles and the Chariot. Capricorn, I see that you guys have someone who wants to marry you. This person is very serious for you. Okay, what is this? King of Pentacles. Yes, someone is very serious for you. See, we have the Pentacles energy. This is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn only. So someone is very much serious for you. This person wants to have you in their life, Capricorn. This person wants to marry you. This is exactly what you desired for, Capricorn. This is something that you really desired for, and this is being gifted to you, like a strong commitment. Like this person, whoever you're dealing with, they want marriage. They're very serious with you. Okay, a long-term stable connection. I see that you're going to have a long-term stable connection with this person. Some of you may be moving forward in life, like you're leaving a person to be with somebody else. Okay, maybe some relationships didn't work out for you in the past, or you were not happy in some relationships, and I see you moving forward in life, like with full determination and with that gist, with that happiness. I see you moving forward in life, Capricorn. I see you very determined to move forward towards stability, towards happiness. If you are a man, if you are a male, I feel that you want to offer the strong commitment to a woman in your life. Like, you know, you really want to marry her. You see a long-term commitment. You see a woman of substance in your life, and you want to, you know, propose to her, or you would want to know her more. Like, you really see this woman as the one you can get married to, or you can have a long-term commitment with this woman. Okay, and if you are a female, then you see a man who is worth your time and efforts. Okay, you see somebody who is genuine. I see you having somebody in your life. This is after a lot of trauma that you have already been through, Capricorn. Okay, I see you guys have been through a lot. Some of you may have ended a relationship to be with this person. Okay, Fool and three cards together, Empress, Tower and King of Wands. Capricorn, whoever you're dealing with, this person is also ready to move forward with you. Okay, you're dealing with somebody who could be immature. We have the Page. Some of you, you're dealing with somebody who's immature. This person is ready to take things forward with you. Okay, they are very much excited. Whoever you're dealing with, all right, this person is very excited to take things forward with you. We have the Empress, Tower and King of Wands. I feel that your person is somebody, guys. This person may have come to know something about you. Like, this person has got to know some things about you, some sort of clarity. Okay, this person has got some sort of clarity in this relationship about you. Or for some of you, this could be that this person feels that things are over between both of you. Okay, things are over. Like, you may have had some arguments or some differences, I don't know, there is the separation, like we have the tower moment here. So I don't see any major issue here, but yes, there is something. Some of you are not in talking terms with this person, okay? But whatever it is, this person is very sure that whoever you're dealing with, this person is very sure that you are going to come back to them. They have that confidence in you. They know that you are made for them, like you both are made for each other. This is the kind of love they have for you. They really feel that you both are made for each other. They could also be waiting for you to end a relationship, Capricorn. Some of you are in some other relationship which is just not working anymore. So this person could be waiting for you to get rid of your other relationships, okay, so that they can go forward with you in life. This person also sees you as somebody who is focusing on career right now. This person sees you as somebody who is not paying attention to them right now. They feel neglected, Capricorn. This person is feeling neglected at this moment. They feel neglected, they feel ignored, but they won't give up. How much ever hard you try, this person won't give up on you. Okay, now let's see your feelings. What else? We have the Queen of Swords. Okay. Queen of Swords, Seven of Cups and Knight of Cups. Some of you see your person having options in life, like you see your person talking to somebody else. Okay, you see them getting close to somebody else. At least they are being friendly with somebody else. They are talking to somebody else. And you are like, hey, look, you choose. Once you are sure, you come to me. Otherwise, don't even show me your face. Okay, don't keep me as an option. Either I'm your priority or I'm just not there in your life. You know, that kind of energy. So you are not ready to open up to this person. You know this is like a strong commitment, but you are not willing to open up to this person at this moment. Okay, reason being, you feel that this person is not sure. They are confused. They may have options, but you don't know it, Capricorn. But this person is a strong commitment. They may take their time. Agreed, no problem, let them take their time, but this person is not going anywhere. Okay, this person is not going anywhere. Some of you are not ready to open up to this person so early. Maybe you are hesitant, Capricorn. I see you being hesitant in this relationship. You are hesitant. You are taking it very slow. You don't want to get, see, right when I said hesitant, Two of Swords. I certainly feel that your person is confused. Your person is confused in some cases. This person may have choices and you are seeking clarity. You are like, hey, make your choice and then come to me. Otherwise, don't even show me your face. Okay, either I'm your priority or I'm just not there in your life. Okay, that kind of energy. Eight of Cups. Why do we have the Eight of Cups here? Why do we have the Eight of Cups here? Okay, you know what has happened, guys? Capricorn, your person is somebody who sees you very busy in your work right now. Like they feel that you both love each other, you both have feelings towards each other, okay, but this person is somebody who is not sure about you. This person feels that, you know, this Capricorn is impossible, or being with you is impossible. This person feels that maybe some of you are trapped in, as I said, either you are in some other relationship or you are not ready, okay, ready to get married to this person so early. Like, you're ready to move on in life, you're ready to date, you are ready to be in a relationship, but I don't see you ready to get married to this person so soon. And maybe this person is somebody who wants to get married to you instantly. Like, they can't wait to be married to you, whereas they see you as somebody who's focused in career. Like, their priority is marriage, your priority is career, which is why this person is not sure. Like, at times they feel that they are not going to get a commitment from you, or you may not be serious towards them, which is why this person feels like going away. At times they feel like moving away from this relationship, or this person feels like exploring some other relationship. Okay, I see this person is definitely knowing somebody else. All right, for some of you, I feel there is a new commitment that's heading your way very soon. There is a new person, especially if you're single. I see a new person coming in your life very soon. In the next 3 months, I see a new person coming in your life, Capricorn, in the next 3 months, 3 to 4 months maybe. Yeah. Oh my God, just when I said the Star and Four of Pentacles. As I said, you're very determined, and I see you in a positive state of mind, Capricorn. Okay, I don't see you worried, I don't see you losing your peace and calm for somebody else. You guys are in a very much better space compared to your person. I see you in a much better place. You guys are confident and very hopeful of your future. You know that you are going to find somebody or the other, one or the other day. Okay, so I think right now your focus is money, Capricorn. Okay, money is your focus. I don't know why I'm seeing that. Your primary focus is your stability, your security. You're hopeful about this relationship, you're hopeful about your love life, your marriage, etc., etc. But I don't see marriage as your priority right now, Capricorn. Yes, you want to be in relationship, yes, you want to explore this person, you want to be in this relationship, you want to go forward with this person, but this is not your priority, Capricorn. Okay, some of you, I feel that your priority is career, your focus is career, stability. You are like, let me focus on career, love will follow, you know, or the right person will follow whenever the time is right. So that is what I see for you here. Also, I feel that this person, whoever you're dealing with, Capricorn, this person is planning to get you. Like, they are thinking of ways in which they can have you in their life. But you know what this person feels? See, this person feels that, right when I said this person wants a new beginning with you, there is lot of passion between both of you. This person is attracted to you, lot of attraction between both of you, at least from this person. They see you as the right kinds. You see the Empress here. We have the Nine of Pentacles. This person feels that you're doing good without them. In case if you're not talking to each other, I don't see separation, but in case if there is this distance between both of you, this person sees you doing good without them. They are like, how can my Capricorn be so happy without me? It doesn't matter whether I'm there in my Capricorn's life or not. So this person sees you as somebody who is independent, who is focusing on career, and that is why this person feels that maybe you are not interested to take this forward with them, or this, maybe you're dealing with somebody who wants to marry you instantly and you are like, hey, hold on, I need time, you know. Plus at the same time, I see you not sure about this person. You feel that this person has options. Could be this person is juggling you with somebody else and you are like, I want clarity. Like, you're trying to draw a line, you're giving them an ultimatum. I need clarity. Either you be serious towards me, you be loyal towards me, or you move on. You know, that kind of relationship. Like, you're not ready to open up to this person somehow, Capricorn. Okay? But yes, there is a new beginning in your relationship. This person wants a new beginning with you for sure. So let's see what's coming up for my Capricorn next. Emperor. We have the Empress, Five of Swords and Three of Cups. I do see reconciliation, but after a lot of ups and downs. Okay, you will have to make a decision, Capricorn. Like, some of you, you're not very sure about this person. Okay, because I think you guys are having some arguments between both of you. You feel that this person has hurt you, they're taking undue advantage of you. Five of Swords. See, this person is not treating you right, or something is not right between both of you, okay? Or you feel that this person is over controlling, they try to control you, they want things their way, okay? So that is something I see. This thing is going to continue for some more time, Capricorn. Whatever is happening between both of you, this is going to continue. But yes, reconciliation is for sure. Like, you both are going to come back together. Some of you, you're going to celebrate with this person. Like, you could be going out for dinners, or you may travel with this person somewhere, or you're planning something very soon. I said you guys are going to spend some good time with each other, but it is going to happen in some time. It is not going to be so fast. Like, could be 3 weeks or 3 to 5 weeks, 3, 4, 5. You know, things will get better between both of you, but it is going to take time. It will take around 3 to 4 weeks, 3, 4, 5. These numbers are prominent, okay? Could be 3 months for some of you. Reconciliation in 3 months. Yeah. So let's see what else. Magician. See, you both are going to manifest each other. Like, you both want each other. You both. Okay? It is like love is there, but I don't know why, Capricorn. Okay, let me be honest. Capricorn. I feel that some of you, you're not very sure about this person. Like, you're just going with the flow. You don't know whether this is the right person for you or not. Okay? I don't see any cups, okay, any cups. I don't see the cups energy here. Yes, your person is very sure about you. I agree. This person sees marriage with you, but I think you are confused, Capricorn. You need time, okay? I feel that you guys need some time. Maybe you don't love this person as much as they love you, okay? Something like this. Or this person is somebody who doesn't fit your requirement. Maybe you are expecting some qualities in your person, and this person lacks those things. Like, you may be having a desire to have 10 qualities in a person, but your person may have only 5. So which is why you guys are hesitant in taking things forward. That could also be the thing, okay? But yes, you both are thinking about each other. Some of you, you're being asked to manifest this person. If you really want this person, you can manifest, okay? You can manifest them. They're coming back to you. They want you. This person sees marriage with you, but this person feels that maybe you don't want them, or you are too focused on some other thing. They see you as somebody who's focused on other things. That could also be the thing, okay? Some of you, you're going to get a new offer as far as your career is concerned. This could be a new job offer, new business proposal, some sort of monetary gains. I see some sort of monetary gains, like an appraisal, like a promotion. Yeah, your finances look good. See, revival of a relationship, judgment, Magician and a Judgment. Some of you, I feel that there is going to be a magic in your relationship, like a divine intervention where things will just happen in a fraction of a second for you. Like, things will turn in your favor, Capricorn. Whatever you desire will happen. Expect a miracle. I see a miracle in your life, Capricorn. Something is going to happen in your life which will be in your favor. You'll be very happy about it. For some of you, if you're single, there is a new person who is heading your way. Be ready, okay? This is a strong commitment who is coming in your life. This person is going to ask you directly for marriage. They would want to get married to you, okay? This is like a direct marriage proposal coming your way, Capricorn. But yes, there is reconciliation. A decision is going to be made. I see a divine intervention, like universe stepping in to make things work for you, Capricorn, okay? Any message for my viewers? Any message for my viewers? Passion and new love. What did I just say? Passion and new love. You know, as I said, guys, some of you, this is a complete new person. You both are in this place where you both are knowing each other. You don't know how will it work. and these are just the normal ups and downs. I don't see anything major between both of you. Okay, yes, you may not be in talking terms, I agree. Okay, but whatever it is, I don't see this person as somebody who is cruel, who is selfish, who only thinks about themselves. No, this person may come across as an emperor, I agree. Okay, somebody who may come across as an emperor or empress, but they are soft at heart, very soft at heart. Okay, they have immense passion for you. This person has immense love for you. They want to love you. This person wants to marry you. Okay, they are very serious for you, very serious. You have a choice. What do you want to do? Some of you, you're going to have some choices, like you will have to choose this or somebody else. Let your friends help you, and chemistry, my god. Some of you, I think, as I said, you're being asked to involve your friends also. Maybe if you are a man, maybe there is a woman, you're madly in love with that woman, but you don't know how to take things forward. You're being asked to take help of your friends. Now this could be even for a woman, doesn't really matter, it's a genderless reading, but there is a strong chemistry between both of you. Okay, it is like, I think this is a new relationship. I don't know, for most of you, I feel this is a complete new relationship. You both may have come together after a breakup, something like this. Okay, you both may have had a breakup in the past, and that's when you both have come together. There could be some differences between both of you. This could be age gap, culture gap, status gap, whatever it is. Let's see, what else do I have for my Capricorn? This is a strong commitment, like you guys are being asked to explore, like go forward. Until unless you go forward and try, how will you both get close to each other? Could be that this is a complete new love. You both need time to know each other. See, you're very close to achieving your goal. Like you feel that things are not possible with this person is juggling you, this person has choices. Okay, but whatever it is, no, this is temporary. Let them decide. If this person is in that phase where they are choosing or they are confused, let them be there, doesn't matter. They're coming to you. There's no, see, you're very close to achieving what you want in this relationship with this person. You will have a choice, either to accept them or to reject them. The ball will be in your court very soon. Okay, you will have a choice what to do. See, this person wants a fresh new beginning with you. What did I just say? Expect a miracle, expect a powerful change. What did I say? Expect a miracle. There's something that's going to happen in your life very soon. Okay, it will be like a magic for you. Everything will change. If you're single, you will be in a committed relationship. You're expecting reconciliation. Yes, I see that. Okay, some major changes that are going to happen in your life, Capricorn. The answers you need are coming. Just wait. Things are happening. Your dreams need a practical plan. Some of you, you're thinking a lot that you want things this way, you want things that way. This could be in your love life or career, but you need to be practical. As I said, what did I just say some time back, that you guys may have to compromise. Like you are expecting 10 qualities in a person, but this person may have only 4 to 5 qualities or 6 qualities. You're being asked to compromise. Be practical. Like, okay, so your dreams need a practical plan. You are being asked to be practical. It so happens we're human beings, like we always have a desire. My husband should be like this, my wife should be like this, my job should be like this, but all those dreams should be practical. I cannot expect to have sun in my hand. Like, things have to be practical. So similarly, you are being asked to have a practical dream, practical vision. Whatever you desire, be practical. That's it. Okay, and it's time to release negativity. Some of you are being asked to release things that are holding you down. Could be negative people around you who are trying to demotivate you. Could be a negative person in your life. Could be a dead relationship. Could be whatever, I don't know. It's time to release whatever is holding you back. Okay, do what you feel like doing. as far as it doesn't hurt you and it makes you happy, it's good. Okay, yeah. So as far as sun signs are concerned, I see an Aquarius here. We have Gemini, Taurus, Scorpio. I have Aries here. We have Pisces over here. Pisces, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is strong in this reading. Okay, sun signs could be any, but these sun signs are prominent. Even a Libra, we have a Libra also. All right, so maybe you're dealing with these sun signs, most of you. All right, so that was that, guys. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, do like, share and subscribe, and let me know how did this resonate. And thanks for watching. You guys take care, be safe, bye.